Welcome student. In the today's lecture we are going to start the chemical bonding and the molecular structure, and today we are going to see chemical bond. Now what do you mean by chemical bond? Chemical bond का meaning क्या होता है and what is the definition of bond? Okay, now listen. The chemical bond means it is a force of attraction. क्या है ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है जो दो एटम्स को ज्वाइन करके रखती है। द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन विच आर बाइंडिंग द टू एटम्स विच आर कीपिंग क्लोज द टू एटम्स। ओके, this is the force of attraction which is binding the two atoms, or what we can say two ions, two molecules, okay, two particles. So this is nothing but chemical bond. Okay, but bonding depends upon the nature of the substance. Okay, if we have ions are of two type, positive ion and negative ion. Okay, cation and anion. Okay, cation positively charged होता है, anion negatively charged होता है. Okay, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस की वजह से फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है। ओके, सो दिस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, दिस बॉन्ड इज बिटवीन द आयंस। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज आयनिक बॉन्ड। ओके, नाउ वी हैव अनदर टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड, दैट इज कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड। ओके, थर्ड वन टाइप we have coordinate bond. Okay, bond between the metals. Okay, metallic atoms. Okay, we'll say metallic bond. So we can classify the chemical bonds as ionic bond, number 2, covalent bond, coordinate bond, and metallic bond. Okay, ionic bond also called as electrovalent bond, and the coordinate bond, which we are taking as the third category, but it comes under the category of covalent bond. Okay, it comes under the category of covalent bond, but when we are going to start these classification, we will see differently. Okay, but because of it is little difference between the covalent bond and coordinate bond. Okay, now first of all we start with the ionic bond. Now how the ionic bond is formed and what is the criteria, what is the essential conditions for the ionic bond. Now ionic bond is the bond which is present between the ions. Okay, the force of attraction which is present between the cation and anion. For example, this is cation, okay, and this is anion. Okay, cation and this is anion, positively charged, negatively charged. Okay, due to opposite charge there is force of attraction. Okay, because of the opposite charge they have force of attraction between them. That's why this bond, this force of attraction is called as chemical bond, and this bond is present between the cation and anion. That's why it is ionic bond. Okay, now In what manner ionic bond forms? We take a simple example of what? NaCl. Sodium chloride. Okay, what happens in the sodium chloride? Sodium, the electronic configuration of sodium is 281. Okay, 281, and chlorine 287. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of sodium 281, and this is the electronic configuration of chlorine 287. Okay, so observe this electronic configuration KLM, KLM. Okay, these are the shells. Now this is valence shell, this is valence shell. Okay, this is valence shell and this is the valence shell. Valence shell of sodium, valence shell of chlorine. Okay, now sodium is metal, sodium is metal, chlorine is non-metal, chlorine is non-metal. So what happens? What is the basic and fundamental property of the metal? Metals are electropositive in nature. Electropositive in nature. Okay, and non-metals are electronegative. Okay, now electropositive and electronegative. Electropositive, what they are doing? They are doing loss of electron, they are giving electron. Okay, and electronegative, they are gaining electron. Okay, now what happens? This sodium, sodium loses one electron and forms Na positive plus one electron. Okay, this is the loss of electron, and the chlorine gains this electron. Okay, this is gain of electron and the formation of Cl negative ion. Now we have two types of atoms. Okay, Na positive and Cl negative. Na positive and Cl negative. Na positive is cation and Cl negative is anion. Okay, Na positive and Cl negative comes close. When they are come close, they will attract because of the opposite charges. Okay, in this way the ionic bond is formed. Now we have NaCl. Okay, positive and negative charges, they will neutralize each other, they will neutralize their effects, and we get a neutral molecule, that is NaCl. Now there are so many examples of ionic compounds: NaCl, KCl, okay, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, MgCl2, CaCl2, calcium chloride. So these examples you can solve on the basis of this reference. Okay, on the basis of the electropositivity and electronegativity. Okay, so this is the ionic bond.